Come test drive the 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning front, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, security system, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.